To select networks operator automatically in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Open connections settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Tap Connections. Tap Mobile Networks. Tap Networks Operators. Tap Select automatically. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.